the ChatGPT app for Windows is already available for everyone. And I'm going to show you how to download it, install it, and a couple of really cool things that you can do with the app, install it into Windows, that you could not do with the web application or inside of your web browser. So let's begin. To install is something really simple. You just want to open the Microsoft Store and type into the search bar ChatGPT. Once you have done that, you're going to see the application right here. That is the official Windows app. And you want to click into Get. Once you have it downloaded, you can open it right here from the Microsoft Store. And now, of course, you're going to need to have an OpenAI account. So you want to log in or sign up into one. It's completely for free. But of course, you can get ChatGPT Plus, I believe is the name, that you will need to pay for it. So now, once you have it open, I recommend you guys that if you're going to use it a lot, you pin it into the taskbar. To do that is something, again, really easy. Right click into the ChatGPT app and select Pin to Taskbar. Now let me show you a couple of really cool things that ChatGPT can do with the application. The first one is right here where you see the attached files. You can not only, as in the web application, upload from the computer, but as well you can take a photo if you have a webcam connected into it, or you can take a screenshot of your screen. Let's try it out. You click into take a screenshot and this is going to open the snipping tool from Windows itself. Select what you want. And now you can type to ChatGPT any questions or anything that you want about that image. Another great thing that this application have is the option right here to use the voice mode. So let's try it out, and for that I need to set up my headphones. Now you want to click into use voice mode. It's going to tell you that you have some natural conversation, multiple voices that you can change it, and we're going to try it out. And it's personalized for you because it can use custom use of memory and custom instructions to shape responses. You want to click into continue. And here,
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get started.
if you change them, you can hear what this sounds like.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to do great work together. Where should we start?
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward to working together. Let's figure out where to start. What's on your mind?
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
I don't like this one.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done.
Well, for this video, we're going to choose Maple. And you want to click into Start New Chat. Let ChatGPT access your microphone, of course. You're going to need this if you want to speak with them. You want to click into Yes. And if you want to access your camera. I'm going to click into No because I don't really have a camera and I don't really need it right now. You want to click into Allow the access to public and private networks.
It sounds like you're dealing with a network access prompt on your computer. If you trust the app or program that's requesting access and you want it to communicate over both public and private networks,
Hi.
then you...
Can you wait a moment?
Of course. Take your time. I'll be right here.
We are recording right now a YouTube video. You want to say hi to the people that is looking?
Hello, YouTube. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more awesome content. Keep being awesome.
Well, thanks for that, ChatGPT, for the promo.
You're welcome. Happy to help spread the word. Hope your video turns out great.
I hope so myself. Drop a like if you enjoyed.
Absolutely. Sending all the positive vibes your way. Best of luck with everything.
Now I just muted the microphone so ChatGPT cannot hear me. And right here on the top right corner, you can
Hi
change
there.
again
Nice
the
to
voice.
meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get started.
You can change again the voices. And that is a couple of the things that you can do with ChatGPT application inside of Windows, guys. So what do you guys think about the application for Windows? I think it's really good. I don't need this anymore. And I really like the new features that you can use inside of the app for Windows that you cannot use online with your web browser, for example. So guys, do as ChatGPT said. Subscribe, drop a like, and all of that. Thanks for watching, my friends, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.